my name's Josh Burt from Action Corrosion. Today I'm here to introduce our new product, Rust Proof Clear. Rust Proof Clear provides a clear, fast drying, hard coating for the underbody of your car to protect against corrosion attack. It is supplied in an aerosol form and also in liquid form where it can be commercially applied with a spray gun. The product contains corrosion inhibitors, UV stabilisers and waterproofs the surface it's applied to. Another great feature of the product is its ability to rejuvenate faded plastic on your vehicle. So your faded bumper bars, door handles and external mirrors can be brought back to new with 2 coats of this product. Once it's applied, Rust Proof Clear will provide a wet look and give it great UV tolerance. In this instructional video, we're going to apply Rust Proof Clear to the underbody of a Jeep Wrangler and on the plastics of the Jeep Wrangler. Then what we're going to do, we're going to take it on a road trip and then full driving on a beach to try to abuse the coating and see how it stands up after being in a salty environment. At the end of the video, we're going to show you how easy it is to wash sand and salt, which will not stick to the coating, and we'll leave it pristine when we get back. Here we are on North Stradbroke Island. After the Jeeps had the Action Corrosion treatment. We just brought the Jeep back from North Stradbroke Island with the corrosion treatment. So what we're going to do is now give it a wash down and you'll see the point of difference between our product and other products on the market. Well, after 2 days hard forward driving on the beach, this is the result. We have some sand accumulated on the plastic of the running boards, but generally the chassis rail has only got a small amount of sand stuck to it. So just a little rinse down and you can see all the sand's gone. There's absolutely nothing stuck to the chassis rail, which is the point of difference. If you use an oil-based material, if you use a coating such as fish oil, it'll tend to attract sand and salt, which is what you don't want. So you can see the water just beating off the coating, which is exactly what you want. We'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this instructional video on Rust-Proof Clear. We're sure you're going to be really happy with the outcome of any project that you choose to use it on.